Introducing the Strong-Drive SDCF Timber-CF and SDCFC Timber-CFC structural fasteners from Simpson Strong-Tie. Engineered for strength, speed, and durability, these versatile fasteners are the ultimate choice for mass timber applications. They're ideal for beam reinforcement, metal connectors, wood-to-wood connections, and more. Featuring our patented low-torque SawTooth point and the 6-lobe drive, the SDCF and the SDCFC install quickly and easily. In most cases, pre-drilling is not required. These fasteners have a fully threaded shank for maximum withdrawal resistance and a non-metallic black E-coat finish for corrosion resistance and aesthetic appeal. They're also compliant with CSA 086 core hardness requirements, further mitigating the risk of hydrogen embrittlement. The SDCF has a flat head design with nibs for a clean countersink and a smooth, flush finish. The SDCFC has a compact cylinder head for minimal visibility. They're both available in a wide range of lengths and diameters. Whichever fastener fits your specification, you can rely on a durable, high-strength connection that's easy to install, perfect for mass timber construction, and backed by our expert service and support. To find out more, contact your representative or visit strongtie.com/masstimber.